Welcome to Public Counsel's presentation on Federal Motion Practice, Part 4, How to Prepare a Notice of Motion. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to be legal advice for your particular situation. Also, this video only covers the rules for preparing a notice of motion for a civil motion filed in the Central District of California. The Central District Court is the Federal District Court, or the federal trial-level court covering the greater Los Angeles region. And lastly, for advice on your particular situation, you should consult an attorney who can review your facts and discuss your options. In the last few videos of this series, we discussed a couple of steps you need to take before filing your motion, namely meeting and conferring with the opposing side and deciding on a hearing date and time for your motion. The notice of motion is a document you file with your motion that tells the court about when the motion hearing will be scheduled and when you met and conferred with the opposing side. This is what the form notice of motion looks like. You can find this form in our guide on how to submit a motion, which is available on our website. You can find a link to this guide in the description box below. Let's fill it in together now. First, start by filling in your name, email, address, and phone number at the top left of the first page. State whether you are the plaintiff or the defendant in the case. Next, fill in the caption block with the name of the plaintiff and the defendant. You can copy this information from the complaint or any other document in your case. Write in your full case number here. Next, write in the title of your motion here. In this section, fill in the hearing date and time you have chosen for your motion. You will also list the judge who will hear your motion and the judge's courtroom. For more information about how to choose a hearing date, please watch our video on the subject. You'll find a link to this video in the description box below. In this paragraph, you will again state the date and time for your hearing along with the judge assigned to your case and their courtroom. Next, tell the court briefly what your motion is about. In this paragraph, list the documents you will be filing in support of your motion, including the memorandum of points and authorities and any declarations you intend to file with your motion. Next, state the date you met and conferred with the opposing side. For more information about how to meet and confer, watch our video on this subject. You'll find a link to this video in the description box below. Lastly, date and sign the notice of motion. Since you will be filing the notice with all of your motion documents, this section should list the date you will actually file the motion with the court. And you're done. You should know that motions are complicated. Both the moving party and the responding party must follow specific steps to comply with the court's procedural rules. These include the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure and the local rules of the Central District of California. In addition, each individual judge in the Central District of California has their own procedures. The links for each are included in the description box below. The next videos in this series will cover the remaining documents you will need to file with your notice of motion, including the memorandum in support of the motion, declarations, and the proposed order. In addition, you can find more information about this topic in our guide to how to prepare a motion. The guide also includes forms that you can use to prepare your own motion. You can find this guide on our website along with more information about the clinic and how to request our services. To find the guide on our website, go to our page with our forms, guides, and samples. Next, scroll down to the section with the heading Motions and Requests. Click on the guide to how to file a motion. If you need help, please visit us at Public Counsel's Federal Pro Se Clinic. The clinic offers free legal advice for people representing themselves in the Central District of California. We are located in the Federal Courthouse in downtown Los Angeles. We're open on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays by appointment only. Please visit our website or call our phone intake line for more information about our clinic. There are also two other clinics in the Central District of California. One is in the Federal Building in Santa Ana, and another is in the Federal Building in Riverside. They are also staffed by attorneys and offer free legal assistance for pro se litigants. More information about them is also on the court's website. Some final and important information for you. This video is for educational purposes only and is not to be construed as legal advice. For information and advice on your particular situation, please see an attorney. This video does not create an attorney-client relationship between the viewer and public counsel.